I would like to invite everyone to take up this challenge.
What's the secret of your this? You are looking beautiful.
It's in my hand right now. I love being a mother. I love being a wife. I love being an actress. और हर पहलू में मैं अपना बेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ. It's my pleasure to announce the launch of Olay Regenerist, the premium anti-aging skincare product from Olay in India. It is one of the best products you find abroad. It has won a lot of international awards and has been recognized by most of the international magazines abroad. I'm so happy that's in India. It's in India, finally. So I would like to invite everyone to take up this challenge. Because their slogan is, challenge what's possible. And I think in my life, I have done that. I've always challenged what's possible. Whether it's in my profession or in my personal life, I've always taken up challenges. And that's how I can identify with Olay, because they have the same thinking. And I think for people, for women all over the world, who are today in a generation where looking good, looking youthful is very, very important. I think this product is wonderful.
माधुरी जी, जैसे हम आपको अभी भी देख रहे हैं, काफ़ी जवान सी लग रही हैं आप, तो ये ओले का कमाल है. और अगर हम आज की अभिनेत्रियों की भी बात करें, तो आपका चेहरा सबसे पहले आता है खूबसूरत एक्ट्रेसेस में. तो व्हाट यू से, आज भी जब ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको मिलता है तो कैसा लगता है?
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू फॉर सेइंग दैट. लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कि सिर्फ बहुत फैक्टर्स है इसमें. आप अगर खुश हैं, आप अगर अंदर से एक कंटेंटमेंट, एक सेटिस्फैक्शन है आपको, वो, और अगर आप अपनी इवन फिजिकली यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, तो ये दोनों मिलके एक कॉम्बिनेशन बनता है जिससे इट्स फैंटास्टिक. लाइक आई यूज़ ओले रीजेनरिस्ट या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स आप अगर यूज़ करो, तो यू आर बेसिकली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. यू ईट वेल, एक्सरसाइज, and do the other things too. But this also helps.
You're complimenting Olay, nonetheless you don't show your age. You look youthful. What's the reason that you're complimenting Olay? You look youthful even without Olay. And I think, and since how long have you been using Olay?
Well, quite some time now. And like I said, it's not, it's how you feel inside, that actually projects outside. And I think with my life, I'm very happy. I have a family, I have kids, I have a career. I'm kind of balancing the two, and I'm quite happy doing it. And this contentment and the inner self, that I also dance, which I love doing, and that's also a very spiritual thing that I feel I have. So I think all these things combined together, create that impact.
What's the secret of your this? You are looking beautiful.
It's in my hand right now. I think it's not just the physical thing, but also how you feel. Like I said, your ability, what you feel, how it's not just the chronological, but also the physiological makeup. And it's a lot to do with how you're feeling, how you're internally feeling, whether you're happy. But of course, products like these do help your skin. Like I said, it works on a very cellular level, and that's why it gives you the required glow to the skin. And I think I've got a lot of compliments recently because of that.
आप एक एक्टर भी है, एक पत्नी भी है और माँ भी है. कौन सा रोल आपके दिल के करीब है?
सभी रोल्स, क्योंकि अगर मेरे दिल के करीब नहीं होता तो मैं नहीं करती. I love being a mother, I love being a wife, I love being an actress. और हर पहलू में मैं अपना बेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ. मैं हमेशा चाहती हूँ कि मैं बेस्ट मदर बनूँ, तो मैं वही प्रयत्न करती हूँ हमेशा. और मैं चाहती हूँ मैं बेस्ट वाइफ बनूँ, तो मैं वही करती हूँ. व्हेन आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, आई वांट टू बी द बेस्ट विद व्हाटएवर आई डू. सो दैट craving for having everything is very important for me. ओले से पहले I used to be very helter skelter with my skin. क्योंकि मुझे याद है growing up I used to have a lot of problems with my skin. लेकिन ओले से आई थिंक इट हैज़ मेड सो मच डिफरेंस. इवन now when I get compliments, your skin looks so beautiful, तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है in those compliments because I've been taking care of it. और एक regimen रखा है मैंने constantly where I use Olay Regenerist and that is really helpful.
आज से आपका उतना ही क्रेज़ है जैसे पहले हुआ करता था, तो कैसा लगता है जब लोग आपको इस तरह से आज भी लेते हैं?
क्रेज़ का पता नहीं, लेकिन जिस तरीके से लोग मुझे हमेशा ग्रीट करते हैं, जिस प्यार से वो मुझे देखते हैं, जिस प्यार से बात करते हैं, वो सब देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है.